Let's make Midnight Punch. We are going to build this drink in the glass, so in order to make it, the first thing I'm going to do is going to take 2 ounces of my amber rum, and I'm using Negrita, which is a small bottle I got when I was in Barcelona pre-COVID, so this has been a while. 2 ounces, where's my jigger? As I was saying, 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Half an ounce of grenadine, and I do make my own grenadine. The recipe is here on the channel, link will be down below and at the end of the video if you want to try it yourself. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Half an ounce of grapefruit juice. Half an ounce, 15 milliliters. Even if my dog is barking in the background. I'm going to fill the glass with ice. Perfect. And I'm going to top this off with ginger beer. Use a ginger beer that you like. If you want to give it a light stir to help mix the ingredients, feel free to do so. I am not going to. I'm going to sink a straw, and I'm going to, if I can, and I'm going to garnish with a twist of grapefruit. These are such big grapefruits. How big is a twist? Do you go horizontal or do you go vertical? I went horizontal, and not very far. I'm going to express, and I'm going to drop it in there. And there you have it, Midnight Punch. Drink with good spirits.